Zhang Linghe is a Chinese actor. He is known for his role in Love Between Fairy and Devil, My Journey to You, A Story of Kunning Palace, The Princess Royal, The Best Thing, and Pursuit of Jade. In 2026, Zhang started in Pursuit of Jade, which premiered in March 2026. In the same month, Zhang faced some criticism for a comment made during an appearance on the variety show Hello Saturday, where he was promoting the Pursuit of Jade. During the segment in which he and co-star Tian drew portrait of each other, Zhang joked that Tian's stylized drawing of him looked as if the person depicted had been born in Southeast Asia, and also compared the person in the drawing to Chinese comedian Yang Di. Clips of the segment circulated online and drew criticism, particularly from Southeast Asian viewers who said the remark was interpreted as invoking negative stereotypes about appearance. The incident was subsequently reported by several Vietnamese media outlets. It gained traction on social media in countries including Vietnam and Thailand, with some users calling for a boycott. In 2025, Zhang gained popularity internationally after starting as his Sui, a traditional Chinese medicine doctor in modern romance drama The Best Thing. In July 2025, Zhang started as Zhilang Guoxi in youth romance drama Our Generation. In 2022, he portrayed Zhang Hing, the god of war, in the costume fairy tale drama Love Between Fairy and Devil, which gained him recognition. In 2020, he made his television debut in the costume romance drama Made in Homes, and also started in the youth romance drama Sparkle Love. The following year, he appeared in the urban romance drama Love Crossed and the youth school drama Flourish in Time. Zhang initially had no plans to enter the entertainment industry. He dreamed of becoming a scientist or engineer, excelling in science subjects like physics and math. He enrolled at the Nanjing Normal University in 2016 for electrical engineering. A chance encounter with an agent during his university years sparked his interest in acting, leading him to pursue it instead of a technical career. He officially debuted in 2019 to 2020 and signed with his agency around that time.